Blessings to you. My name is Madra. I pray that you're having a nice day. I have a really quick message about boundaries that I feel led to share with you because someone asked me a question about what boundaries were or how they could establish boundaries with people. But first, let me just say, I pray that you're having a safe Independence Day. Please bear in mind the climate of the atmosphere before you head out into a lot of large gatherings and things like that. Just be really prayerful and use the spirit of discernment, especially with the climate like we're in the nation right now. So blessings. But I want to talk really quickly about what boundaries are. And when you think about it really plainly, I just want to put it in a nutshell to someone who may be struggling with this, like the person that sent me the message on it. But what it is just just you love and respect someone does not mean that you allow them to let their bitterness take you down. Just because you love or respect someone does not mean that you should allow their meanness to take you down. Just because you love or respect someone does not mean that you should let their selfishness or even irresponsibility or something destructive that they're exhibiting in their life to take you down. And the reason for this is the Lord tells us to love ourselves, love other people, love Him first and foremost, then love yourself and love other people. And I'll insert the scripture up there so you'll have the reference that I'm talking to. But boundaries are a form of self-love. Self-love is not selfishness at all. Self-love is self-care, and you have to love yourself so that you can properly love somebody else. Because if you don't love yourself, you won't teach people how to treat you. You will actually teach them what not to do and what you don't want them to do. Because if it's a wound or something in them that's going to make them disrespectful or not give you the love that you deserve, it's going to be attracted to the wound in you. So you need to get that wound healed up to where you're not showing yourself self-love. So practicing boundaries or practicing self-care, it's showing that you love yourself. And when you love yourself, you will teach others how you want them to treat you. And they'll begin to get a level of freedom and deliverance and start looking at themselves when you draw boundaries and show them that you love yourself. And this can apply to work relationships. It can apply to romantic relationships. It could apply to friendships. It's universal. So do you know how when you get on the airplane, they'll tell you to put on your mask first before you put it on your children or anyone else in case of an emergency, the oxygen mask? It's because if you're not around or you're not safe, you're not going to be around to put the mask on your children or your loved ones. So you have to do it for yourself first. And it's not selfish. It's actually looking out for the other person too. Because if you're not all right, how can you take care of somebody else? So you have to have boundaries in place to practice the very powerful principle of just showing self-love. So I hope that helps someone on today. I hope that answers your questions if you're struggling in the area of boundaries. And I pray you have a blessed day, and may the favor of the Lord locate you right where you are. I'll talk to you soon.